In this video, I'm going to show you how to call Trade Republic. So there's currently only one phone number via which you can call them, and it's actually a phone number for very specific cases. Let me show you what I mean. So if you go to their official website over here, scroll down to the bottom, and over here under frequently asked questions, you can see support. Click on support here. It's going to take you to their support page, scroll down again, and here where it says lost your card or device, click on that, and here it's going to say basically where you can call them. So you can call their emergency hotline, which is this hotline over here, and if you've basically lost your card or device, you have to call this immediately to protect your account and then report your lost device or lost card. Now over here again, this is only if you've lost your card or device, so that's the only reason and way you can basically call Trade Republic, and it is in case you have lost your card or maybe device. So that's basically their emergency hotline. So don't call them for any other reasons, just in case any of these two things or situations happen. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.